again. It's a rich thing.
안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone, I'm your friend Easy Korean. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn double consonants. So let's get started. In our previous video we have already studied the basic consonants. There are 5 double consonants in Korean. These are the certain that we can be double. The double consonants come from these basic consonants, but the pronunciation is slightly different from these ones. These are the 5 double consonants. So there are the name of these consonants. They are very easy to learn. You just have to add sang before these basic consonants. As you can see, when the kyok double is become sang kyok, and it has a ka sound. When you add vowel r to it, it is pronounced like ka, ka. Our next consonant is sang thikat, and it has a ta sound. When you add vowel r to it, it is pronounced like ta, ta. For example, to. To means again. When consonant pf doubled, it's become sang pf, and it has a pa sound. For example, oppa, oppa. Oppa means older brother or a boy older than you. When shiot doubled, it's become sang shiot, and it has a sa sound. You have already example sang. Sang means pair or twin. Our last double consonant is sang jiat. When jiat double, it's become sang jiat, and it has a cha sound. For example, chincha. Chincha? Chincha means really. We have learned all the double consonants. In our next video, we will learn vowels in Korean. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.